I was in business early on, and although I enjoyed it and I did well at it, I knew it wasn't what I wanted to do long term. I wanted to do something creative that expressed what I was feeling. So art to me was kind of the one permanent thing that always moves forward. My name is Steve McElroy, and I'm an artist, and my company is Steve McElroy Fine Art. As an artist, you're in the image business, and the quality of that is paramount. That is the business. So with FedEx Office, I've been so pleased with when I hand them an image to print. They always exceed what I expect, so that the collector, when they receive it, almost always comments on the materials, how good they are. And on the ship side as well. And I've chosen to use FedEx Office because their pack and ship service is start to finish. They know my standards. They always pack it beautifully. And that's a part of the process. My collectors expect that whole experience. I've become friends with the long-term employees there, and they help me along the way so that they give me guidance. If they like something, they'll say it. If they don't, they don't. They come to my shows. It's been a great family for me in business. The reason I've chosen FedEx Office and FedEx is because, first of all, my collectors consider it the gold standard. They will request it. And also, under one roof, I can do everything I need. I can do my print materials, I can ship, I know it's going to get there on time, I know it's going to look good. So all those things are as important to my business as the art itself, because the collectors expect that level of professionalism.